All right. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome back to the UK live session. It is 2:30 a.m. Eastern. And before we start, let me just have a look at this stream. Are we getting that or not? Because I was not able to log into the server. Just a moment, please. All right, I think it's already doing it proper now. Let's get started. A warm welcome to those who are joining us fresh, and thank you for your time and subscriptions. This is what we are looking for to expand our passion. Let's get started, brothers. We'll be taking this session for about 6 to 8 minutes, maximum 10. All right. Okay. I hope you're enjoying these short video formats. You can send in your feedbacks, please, to Japee@yahoo.com, and any other stuff you need me to make videos. Please do not hesitate to write to me at Japee@yahoo.com, and I'll be more than happy to do that. Okay, Euro USD wave 1 to 1 of 3 ABC flat. Uh, Resistance stands at 1.1960. Aggressively, if you're wanting to take fresh positions, trading point of view, even now intraday you can go short, you can place your stop loss above 1960. Please remember, we don't want to place stop loss anywhere according to our mindset, but let's place the stop loss according to the actual resistance, which is at 1960. Until the time prices remain below 1960, I think we are very much headed south. Let me take the extensions once again. No change in the trade direction and the structure. Please remain short with a downside target of around 1550 at least. It is just a matter of time before it starts cutting down on the south side. All right. Also, if you're interested for the live trades, we have been trading not much since the counter trends began early this week, but it will accelerate, and our routine intraday trade calls will increase on the Telegram channel as well. So if you're an active trader looking for live trade setups, kindly consider joining our Telegram at t.me at Japee as well. Pound now, fantastic triangle formation completes. It looks like that was wave 1, followed by a wave 2, and then triangle A, B, C, C, D, and E. So we've got wave 1 here, and then wave 2, termination point at 34.25. That was the fifth leg within the triangle. Let's draw the triangle boundaries as well. That is AC, and we have BD here. If this count is correct, I mean, if wave E has terminated at 34.20, then we're most likely to witness a sharp drop lower towards 3200 and 3000. Alright, so no change as far as the trading point is concerned, trading point of view is concerned. Intraday you can go short again, stop above 35.40, but that would be too much for intraday. You can place your stop loss about 34.65, and that's a risk trade. But if you still insist on taking, your stop loss should go at least about 34.65 towards 34.75. For positional traders, we are already short from 34.60 with a stop above 35.50, ideally above 36.50, with a target of around 3,000 and 2,800. Swing trading is a bit boring sometimes. You don't have that adrenaline rush every day, but believe it or not, if you want to make good money, you'll have to stay more calm and more patient in your trades. Alright, let's go back to the dollar index. I like this setup actually, the dollar index setup. To cut the story short, wave 1, 2, 1 of 3 and a flat. It looks to be nicely set up for a 95 rally, and let's have a look at the oscillators. Long time no see. Alright, 40 and the MA series are looking to cut through the north side as well. Bottom line for the dollar index is that, I mean, this is an up Gartley scenario actually. An up Gartley, that's the boundary which is being worked upon recently, and a nice little up Gartley in the making. 61.8 bounce taken. That shape is of an up Gartley, A, B, C, and this is what is expected outside. 95 plus should be your target. Trading point of view, intraday, you can go long right now. Yesterday also we went long around the same prices, but we got triggered out. You can go long right now, you can go and buy, but place your stop loss below 92.50. Alright, and you can target the first resistance is at 94, 94.20. That should be your first soft target for the intraday traders. Positional traders remain long for at least 95 and 98 levels. As I said earlier, we have discussed this earlier time and again. Please do not get disturbed because there's less volatility and slow price action, and this is going to remain for the rest of the days of this year. Please understand, we are just one day away before a long weekend, and 25th would obviously be a non-working day. I'll be coming and showing up here with some educational videos. As I said, I'll be getting a lot of time between 25th and 31st. So please watch out for the educational stuff. And if you are still not subscribed, I would urge you to do so, because it's more things are coming up in the new year. Live interactive sessions, live educational sessions. This is going to be my life for the next 20-25 years. So I'm going to build this channel in a wonderful way. I've just begun, we are doing well, just 1 month old now, and learning a lot of things, because I never used to do this stuff earlier on except for the analysis part. Alright, so if you're not subscribed, or if you're liking it, then please go and subscribe to stay in touch, and do write to me and give me your feedbacks as to how you're feeling about these sessions. And if you're wanting more instruments to be added, do not hesitate at all. I'm available 24/7, Monday through Friday, on my phone, on my email, wherever you want to get in touch with. Finally, should I say finally, gold is cutting loose on the south side, and it has not crossed the territory of wave 1, and this is an amazing part of the wave principle, the kind of objectivity it brings to the table. I mean people who have heard me in seminars, they would agree with this. You need to be more objective in your analysis when you're trying to deal with markets like this. So finally, may I say that gold is resuming its bear trend with the downside target of below 1235. Now don't get out cheap. Now we have sold from 55, 56. If you are joining in fresh and if you still want to contemplate taking trades here, it's offering an excellent risk reward ratio. You can go short right now around 1265 and place your stop loss again around 1277, 12 points of risk. Believe it or not, it should give us at least 60 points on the south side. If not 60, at least 50 points. That is 1:4 risk reward ratio. I repeat, 1:4 risk reward ratio. And if I do a trend line, the counter trend line, which I was waiting, or we were waiting since last night to be broken, I think it's just wanting to break. I mean, there might be one pullback, one small pullback. Okay, so don't you can sell maybe around 66, 67 and remain short after that. Target, easily all these supports have been broken, but for intraday, I think you should be marking up 1250 easily for the intraday traders, right? For positional traders, no change at all. If you are in a position, add up to your shorts, okay, and that should be fine. Silver has followed the principle of the fourth wave more meticulously than what its counterpart gold has done. Gold went up to almost 6.618, while silver has remained stalled at the 38.2%. Believe it or not, you're going to love and you're going to enjoy the interactive educational sessions, and I'm going to begin in the holiday weekend, maybe recorded, or maybe you can launch the interactive session in the new year. But this is what is going to be real fun. Alright, so that was wave 4, and watch out for the fifth wave drop below 15.5, 1550 and lower. Alright, so let's bring this session to a pause here. I'll be coming up with more short-term videos. I mean, Bitcoin is in line, crude oil is in line, and if required, I'll be updating euros and the pounds and the dollar indexes as well before or after the New York live session today. Alright, so let's bring this session to a pause here. If you like it, do pass on the word. There's nothing that's going to cost you for that, or liking it or subscribing it. It's going to be for life, and I promise you for that. All right, and I'm enjoying these sessions. Hope you're doing it as well, and I'll see you back after 4 hours or so, 5 hours or so during the New York live at 8 AM Eastern. Until then, good luck to your trades, and please take care and God bless. Goodbye.